Hello, welcome back for lesson number 46. I put a title called Drill Hole. Today we're going to drill the 4 corner holes on this part. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous operation. Today we're going to start a new operation at the 2-axis mill we call packing. We need to drill the 4 holes using the packing method. Create holes. Okay, so we want to create the 4 holes as a hole set. Click OK. With that, we click OK again, and we need to update the parameters. Set edit at the right mouse click. G54. We need to select a new tool, manage it, load a new tool, a drill, a 10.5 mm twist drill. Click OK. We need to set the tool number 9, and then we click OK. With that, we will set the RPM and feed rate, change the color, and calculate. Let us verify. It looks good. We have lines at the 4 corners. Set the frame to G54. You can see Z minus 23, which is correct. The thickness of the part is 20 mm. We have the tip to travel more to clear the material thickness. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us do a solid verify. Complete the hole. Analysis. Looks good. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, go to drill, we go for packing. We need to create a new hole set. Hole, OK. Select 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click OK. Click OK again. We need to manage, change a drill. Change it to drill 10.5. Click OK. Set the tool to tool number 9. Click OK again. No, we are not going to calculate. We need to set the frame to G54. RPM at 600, and this is 50. No change. No change. And no change over here. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. G54. Drag the tool. Yes. Z minus 23. Click OK. OK again. Let us do a solid verify. We can speed up. Yeah. Let us do the analysis. Looks good. All the hole is true. 4 holes is done. The diameter is correct. Everything to our expectation. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to work on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.